Hello everyone, welcome to this last part of the course. This lesson will be very short since we'll just learn to upload the model to the Sketchfab website. This website is an excellent option for us to showcase our work. You just need to create a profile in order to upload your creations. It also has a premium option, but that's a more professional option in case you want to upload a lot of models or models that are big in size. For us to upload the beetle we just created, the free account is more than enough. Here you see there's several models made by users of the platforms. In order to start, we click Upload and load the low poly version of the file. Click Open, then Continue. We'll set a name here, then a description, some tags, and hit Continue. Good. As you see, it shows the low poly model, so we'll go to the 3D settings option in order to set all the textures. This is very easy. Here's the viewer or interface, and we'll start loading the textures. We'll click on the Materials tab, and we'll load the textures. First, we'll load the base color material. So hit Import Textures, and select our base color map. Notice that we've created a slightly different beetle. We finished the eye that was a bit unfinished. We simply finished it, but the rest is exactly the same. Okay? Now we have the metalness map, which is here, so import texture and load. Now we'll skip specular and we'll continue with roughness, which is here, and we'll place it. We'll select it and click Open. And very important, the normal map, which is the one that has the relief information, so we'll enable it and load the map. Finally, we'll have the high map or displacement map, which we won't activate because it's not necessary and sometimes it can be a problem. Okay? In this case, we'll activate it so you see it. As you see, it adds more volume. So we'll leave it on, but at the very low value. So that's it. We've finished loading the model, and on this website we have certain effects, as we saw in Substance Painter, which we can use to change the environment, or the lights, or brightness, or whatever we want. So we go to post-processing filters, we can activate options like ambient occlusion, which will be a bonus touch for the image. Using the Alt key, we can also move the environment. We can add some grain to the image and make it an animated grain. Check it out. In short, we can add different parameters. Depth of field simulates the blur of a camera lens. So, for example, the nearest and furthest parts would be out of focus. See? We can exaggerate the effect or lower it. It's important to activate the sharpness a bit. And we finally find some more optional effects like the vignette effect, bloom, and all these parameters which we can talk about at some other time. And that's pretty much it. We only have to save the settings and we could already publish the 3D object. I want you to check out the level of detail that we get when we do these kinds of things. And well, we make this model actually in under 90 minutes. So imagine the level of detail we could get if we put 8 hours on it. If we switch to the Scene tab, we can also change more things, like making the wireframe visible or invisible. And here in Light, we can also change the environment. See? Here we could already save it and publish it. So we click on this button here and we publish it. Alright? I have a shield I made here so you can see the procedure, which is exactly the same, but in this case it's a shield. As you can see, the wireframe is much more optimized since I had more time in order to do this, and the object itself was much easier. Okay? As for the rest, nothing more to add. I hope you like the course. Practice a lot with different simple objects, if possible consisting of one piece like this one, and why not start making new works and models? Nothing else. I hope you like the course, and I'll see you on the next one. See you next time.